Hello everybody, I'm Jonah Glasgow. I am the founder and CEO of Sparkle Mobile. What's that? You can point it. You can point it here? Yeah. So the value of Sparkle is that we are an exchange that allows users to exchange their digital currency for automotive related products. What we want to do is we want to focus on the fact that right now, merchants are having the hardest time accepting digital currencies. So when you look at automotive vehicles, this is usually the second most important investment that they have in their life, next to their house or other related services. What we look at, what we're trying to do right now is regular maintenance on the vehicle. We're also trying to include manufacturer warranty, which can be offered through some services. And in return, what people do is they maximize their investment for when they return in their vehicle. This is something that most people do, if not everyone has to do throughout their lives. So, how come people don't accept right now more cryptocurrencies?
Can you speak in the mic?
Yep. How come people don't accept cryptocurrencies? We know right now that there's a lot of market volatility. We also know right now that it is very hard for a merchant to be able to accept something at $100 rate when it is a volatile market. We know that, for example, by the time that they accept the service, the payment is done, and they actually receive the transaction, that rate can be effectively determined or significantly dropped. So we want to protect the investment for the specific user. So we know that right now that BTC and Ether is very vulnerable for merchants. And what Sparkle does is it allows us to be able to exchange all digital currencies into our app, into a USD-based backed currency, and people can exchange that specifically for services. Our token information is pretty simple. We do actually have no soft cap because we aren't going to market. We've already paid for exchange listings. We've done this before, so with our exchange and with our partners, we're able to actually get into market pretty simply. Our annual revenue right now is based off of connecting users. We want to be able to list merchants right now on our application completely free, and simply what we do is we take a percentage off the top for people to actually get the service applied. You can upload currencies, whether it's automotive related or if it's going to be specifically USD based, and then from there you can process the transaction. If you do wish to exchange your cryptocurrency, then you can do so by simply using one of our API backend services, and then it will transfer directly to your account in Sparkle Mobile, where then they can be actually deposited to the merchant for the service. So why is this important? We know now, right now in North America, there is a lot of mobile detailing establishments. We also know that there's a lot of people right now that are trying to connect more so than ever before. One of our valuable tools that we have is being able to work with merchants right now in North America and be able to add them first to our services and move forward from there. Partners right now with Sparkle is simply CoinExchange, CoinTiger, and CoinMe. We use CoinMe for the backend services that allows us to exchange all BTC, ETH, whatever that may be, into the cash value that is needed, and it's deposited directly into their account within 6 hours, and simply they can use that as they would regular merchant fiat-based transactions. If you have any questions, you'd be happy to contact me. You can find me later back there. We're also doing our ICO. Our token will be live March 1st. Well, our token right now, basically what it allows you to do is transfer that token into USD-based services, and then you can simply get any kind of automotive-related services, whether it's a detail, a car wash, interior detailing, anything that you may need right then and there, and they can come to you instead of you waiting 3 hours in a mobile shop for that to happen. You know that in North America, you're more connected than your phone more than ever, whether it's Uber, Lyft, whether you're doing other forms of Uber Eats, everything is basically interconnected from your phone. So what we want to do is provide a simple application that allows people to transfer digital currencies into automotive related products.
But like every time they make a payment, right? What's the fee they're paying?
The fee?
Yeah.
The fee is based off of what the merchant is actually doing. So for example, if a merchant is listing their detail for $100, they'll be listed on our mobile app where you can see, you can click the geolocation, click that shop, and schedule your service accordingly. And From there, we actually take a 10% off the top just for connecting the dots. So we don't actually charge anything for this, but we simply just do a percentage for the transaction that processes. Any other questions? Yeah.
Why use cryptocurrency in North America where Apple Pay and credit cards are very widely used?
Well, that's a good question. It is widely used right now, but we actually have, upwards of $130 billion right now that can't be spent in North America, and we want to be able to provide a tool for that. The second most valuable investment is from your house is going to be your car, and if next on the list is digital currencies, we want to find a way that people can actually spend digital currencies on tangible, real-life products.
Why can't it be spent?
Pardon me?
Why can't, you said there's money that can't be spent, why can't it be spent?
Yeah, I mean, in North America right now, it's very hard for you to be able to, buy anything related with blockchain. It's becoming more and more hard today than it ever was before. Overstock is a good example of something that you can order, BTC, ETH, whatever.
So your customers are cryptocurrency holders?
Customers?
Yeah.
The customers are cryptocurrency holders, and they're also going to be fiat based. So we're marketing primarily to people that can sit there and upload their credit card, and in return for some sort of transaction that happens on the app, they might get some sort of tokens in form of oil. So in return, it actually helps towards the adoption rate for people to get into blockchain. And then on the other side of it, we have people that are in blockchain that want to spend real purchases on tangible things, which can't right now. And so providing a tool where you can transfer Ethereum, Bitcoin, Sparkle, whatever it may be, into cash, where you can actually get this product service, and the merchant isn't upset by the end of the deal, that is our goal. Okay, thanks guys.